The second Super XL is back from the dead, but I think I know what the problem was the ignition coil's wire is definitely getting ready to go bad. So I took that off of that Killswitch. But now you can't kill it with the Killswitch, but I got an extra Killswitch for it, an extra recoil for it, just in case. Well, but this one finally runs, and it runs fine, and I did put it on side, and it's not leaking gas too. Now he's definitely joined with the rest of the crew now. I already started up that one, and I got the log dogs turned around and ran it just for a little bit. And they both sound the same. They got same mufflers. They got same mufflers on the two. I'll definitely get both of them fired up and let them idle and let you take a listen to them. They both got the same mufflers, and they're the same sound level. And that red one runs pretty good. Gray, half red, runs real good. Well, since that one ran, I'll put another ignition coil into it. No, that coil's already fine. I mean the other recoil from the XL12 and put on this one. But that's all it was the wire on the Killswitch has definitely gone bad. You don't need to be pulling it a couple times. All you do is just hit the throttle lock and give her a tug. 16-inch Super XL. "20-inch Super XL. Switch on. Switch off. Switch on. Now these two definitely ran fine. Alrighty. I'm finally back to be running this guy again because of the ignition coil kill wire's gone bad. I'll definitely switch out the bad recoils later from the XL12 and put it on this. Leave this one as a low 16-inch. So, that was the problem. The problem with the bad ignition coil kill wire is definitely gone bad. Alrighty. I'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by.